Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can pin any software in taskbar or a start menu. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the start menu. As you can see, I'm going to search for the any app, like I'm going to search for the CapCut. So as you can see, here's the CapCut. Now what you have to do, you have to right click on it. If you want to add this into a start menu, then you have to click on the pin to start. I'm going to click on the pin to start. And after that, as you can see, there's another option like the pin to taskbar. If you want that it should be pinned in taskbar, then you have to click on this. I'm going to click on this pin to taskbar. Now as you can see, now it's pinned into taskbar. You just have to click on this and it will be started. So after that, if you want to add any other software, for example, I want to add the OBS one, and now as you can see here's the OBS. Now I'm going to right click on it. After right clicking on it, as you can see, here's the two options like pin to start or pin to taskbar. It's up to you. If you want to add this into pin to start, you have to click on the pin to start. If you want to add this into taskbar, then you have to click on the taskbar. I have clicked on this, and now as you can see, it both are the pinned in taskbar. So in this way you can add any software in your taskbar or start menu. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.